Meet the 3nStar LTT334, a powerful, high-performance label printer built for serious performance and long-term reliability. With 203 dots per inches resolution and print speeds up to 5 inches per second, the LTT334 delivers crisp, professional labels at high volume. Designed for both direct thermal and thermal transfer printing, the LTT334 supports ribbons up to 300 meters, giving you long print cycles with fewer roll changes. The LTT334 is engineered with dual-wall construction and an all-metal printhead, making this printer built for durability, reduced downtime, and long-term performance. With USB and Ethernet connectivity and compatible with all major label printer languages, integration is seamless across Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Android. Need barcodes or QR codes? The LTT334 prints 1D and 2D barcodes with accuracy and consistency perfect for scanning, inventory, and logistics. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, including Bartender Label software, drivers, cables, and a quick start guide. The 3nStar LTT334, high performance, professional quality, built for your business.